today's video is going to be quite special. Let's go ahead and hop into the GTR and let's head out to Enumclaw to go participate in the Enumclaw cruise, see some classic muscle cars, as well as rolling our car for everybody to enjoy. Alright guys, we have made it to Enumclaw, Washington. We are going to be cruising. This is a Facebook organized event. I'll throw a little link up in the screen if you guys want to try to make it back next time. It's going to be going on once a month throughout the rest of the summer. I'm not trying to bore you guys out, so I'm going to time-lapse a lot of this because it's going to be hard to keep this interesting with me just having a GoPro on the top of the car. Enumclaw, Washington. Friday night.
Right now, we're putting large stuff like that.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful.
That's Corvette there too. Monster truck? You got bigger people.
Crap, what the heck is that? I'm pretty sure that that is a kid car because I do not recognize that, whatever it is. Let's follow it. Sounds pretty sick. There we go.
Hey, bud. I want that more than anything here. What are those, like 40 from Let's go.
Well, there's an R35 GTR. That looks like the perfect place to park. Let's pull on in, let's hop on out. Let's go check out some more cars. Got done meeting with friends and stuff for a few drinks, and we're gonna go put the car on the street. Freaking awesome American muscle cars everywhere. Holy crap. This reminds me of being like a kid in high school again. Look at that American big block. Look at all that space in the engine bay. We don't have the luxury in an RB26. awesome. So guys, we're gonna go hop in the GTR. We're gonna go, oh, music to my ears. We're gonna go hop for a little cruise in the GTR. Go cruise Main Street here in Enumclaw, Washington. So just walking back to my car. We got a cool old school Ford. I don't know anything about that model, but I know it's badass. R35 GTR. Look at that. I think that's the black edition if I'm correct. It's got the black edition wheels, which are 20-inch Fords, so those things are super expensive. My R32 GTR. Catch up back with you guys in the car. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I am boxed in. I've got the GTR right behind me, which to me is a little nerve-wracking when I can see a $100,000 car that I'm backing up into. Well guys, I'm sitting in line cruising and all I can smell is raw exhaust, which smells fantastic. It brings me back to like auto shop in 1998 through 99, long time ago, with all these American muscle cars and stuff. It's really cool. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Keep on cruising, guys. This will be our last and final cruise down the main street here in Enumclaw, and we'll be on our way home. guys something for fun. I let the 4-wheel drive pump not cycle all the way, so I'm in 2-roll drive. Step on the gas. Can't even hook up in traction in second. It just spins loose as the boost comes on. Pretty freaking crazy. I love my 4-wheel drive. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. There were so many cool cars. I haven't seen cars like old school American muscle cars like that. You just don't see them around that much anymore. Most people are too afraid to take them out of their garage because they put too much money into the restoration and they're worth too much. So it was really, really cool to see that. I hope you guys enjoy it. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys did, give me a thumbs up. I'll be back with more content with the R32 GTR as well as the Sylvia, and I'm going to try to get out a lot more this summer, go to some track meets, car show events, and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys would like to join me for that. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'm going to throw a little short clip at the end of today's video in. I shot this video like 3 weeks ago. I've just been really busy trying to get the Sylvia done. So we are home back in the office, and I found this somewhat challenging. I've never really shot any type of video outside besides like really at the track and stuff. So laying out the tempo and kind of the timeline. I'm not sure if you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think, if you want me to do something differently, or if you like what I did, or if you think I could do something better. Let me know in the comments down below. I've been really backed up. I've been borrowing my son's MacBook Air and taking this thing to work with me and editing on my lunch break. So like the last few videos, I edit them at work because my days off, I'm spending pretty much all day working on my cars. I don't have time to edit. I can't believe the power of this little MacBook. This is the MacBook Air. It has the M1 chip in it. It crushes on 1080p and 4K video editing. I just cannot get used to the interfacing, the way it works versus a standard PC layout. I can edit so much faster because tabbing and all the functions and stuff. I just find Mac to be very challenging to use. But anyway, guys, just thought I'd throw that in there. I'm gonna try to keep producing good content. I bought a gimbal. I'm gonna try to get steadier, more cinematic footage. I also picked up a gimbal for my GoPro Hero 9. I've got that coming as well. So I'm trying to step up my game. I think next I'll buy myself a better laptop and then get myself a drone, and that'll be the direction of the channel. I'm gonna try to get out more and really try to create cinematic photography and video for you guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.